this right up, because I was worried it would move. I put a dial gauge on here, it didn't move it down. So,
Oh, that's your tension there on the bottom.
that's the tensioner in there, that pulls the tensioner up.
Oh, yeah.
Lock it here, unlock it there, pull it up on the nut. That nut's loose actually at the moment. Lock it there, and then she's locked up. So she's got a fair bit of tension on it. We're supposed to stretch the belt 60 thou, but it looks like we didn't even stretch it that much. It was pretty fucking tight.
Support.
Yeah, no bearing there yet. We'll see if we need it.
Okay.
We can put a bearing there if we need it.
Right, yep.
I figured we wouldn't need a bearing. This is pretty solid, this blower. She's not moving much. Yeah. We're good to go.
Beautiful.
Ignition's on. Choke, but choose the choke man.
Give her a kick, Dad.
The choke up or down, JP?
Good question.
I can have a look in the...
I think it's down.
That's it, it's up.
Oh, it's
I
up.
look in the orifice. I looked in the orifice to check the choke. Here we go.